Please, in order to understand the scope of BMM, Business Management Model, visit our homepage. There you can view the video BMM feature summary and supplementary documentation. Hello. My name is Peter Barth. I am owner and managing director of PMS, Personal Management and Systeme, a German company. PMS was founded in 1984. PMS provides international consulting services for business performance management. Over the last 20 years we invested continuously into the development of BMM Business Management Model. BMM is the state-of-the-art tool for business performance management. For many years, BMM gave us a competitive edge for our business consulting activities. Growing older, my greatest problem was finding a successor. By the looks of it, I will not resolve this problem. We did an assessment, finding that BMM, by concept, features and implementation, is the most competitive planning system for business performance management. We realized that substantial work had to be done to get BMM ready for sale on the international markets. We assessed the work and committed ourselves to the project. We also realized that marketing BMM services on an international basis is beyond our organizational and financial scope. We have to find a new home and owner for BMM. We see alternatives for BMM's new home and owner. For example, it could be a startup company with an experienced and well-seasoned management team. Alternatively, it could be an established enterprise extending its existing product range and services with BMM. We have been reducing our business consulting activities in favor of the BMM development, that is, documentation, quality assurance, tutorials, etc. We achieved our goal. Today, BMM, Business Management Model, is ready for the international markets. Having done our homework, we can start looking for a new owner and home for BMM. Here, I want to give an outline of the business opportunities, which are introduced through BMM. The following international and local business opportunities are resulting from BMM. Software license sales, software maintenance and support, customer training, customization of forms and reports, business consulting. The new BMM owner can freely define the pricing policy, which should level up with a market leader. Subsequently, there is ample space for a solid revenue model. PMS expects from the new owner a fair return for the time and effort invested into BMM. PMS will allow for a reasonable learning curve, though there must be a continuous payback flow to PMS. The new owner is in full control of the cash flow. The contract details will be negotiated. It must be a win-win situation. Let us have a look into the content of the BMM package. All details and claims made here can be verified. After all, BMM is a finished product. BMM, Business Management Model, comprises the following relevant items. Database Application Package. Starter Kit, for the customization of reports and forms. Training System and Tutorials, covering all features of BMM. Systems Documentation. Test bed of SQL scripts and data for change management. The below figures give you a fair estimation of the size of BMM. Over 1 million lines of SQL script for the definition of tables, views, procedures, triggers and error messages. The BMM database is modeled and documented with Microsoft Visio Modeler. A workbench database was developed for BMM, to provide rapid and low-cost change management. BMM provides a starter kit for effortless customization of the user interface. The starter kit is layman-oriented and comprises about 1,000 predefined reports and forms. A few words about user training with the standalone BMM training system. A fully featured BMM training system was developed to provide for user training. Training can be provided on a notebook or in the server environment. The training is supported by a set of tutorials, covering all relevant features of the BMM system. The BMM system is owned by PMS. The intellectual property rights of the BMM system are owned by Peter Barth. In due course, the new owner can acquire the BMM sources and the intellectual property rights. Here it is, our BMM package, waiting to be pushed into the market by a new management. To find out what BMM is all about, please visit our website. You should have more than just a curious interest. And you can provide for an organization that will be able to handle marketing, sales and support. Obviously, your organization needs sufficient financial strength. In due course, we will provide you with the BMM test system. You will have about 2 months' time for the BMM test and an assessment. If you are interested to become the new owner, we will start talking business. We will meet your management and review the business case. This should cover sales, customers, competition, organization, support, pricing, cost and revenue. The business case will show the viability of BMM and your approach. If the business case is sound and agreeable to both, it will be the basis of the formal contract. Thank you for listening. If you have questions, please do not hesitate to contact me. I will be happy to hear from you.